This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the PDFs you need to OCR and confirming they're image-based. Searchable files don't need OCR. Install or launch your OCR tool, Adobe, Abby, Tesseract, or a cloud service, and set the output to searchable PDF or text. Once done, choose the document language and check resolution. OCR accuracy changes with DPI and clarity. Make sure to set page ranges if you only need parts processed, and pick a consistent output folder so you can review results quickly. Now run OCR on a test page to validate settings. You want high accuracy but reasonable speed. Enable image cleanup, deskew, despeckle, and contrast, because cleaner images yield better text. If your PDF contains tables or forms, use Zone OCR or table detection so layout is preserved. Choose the right engine and language pack, then adjust accuracy versus speed. For bulk jobs, batch processing with multiprocessing saves time. Once the test looks good, apply settings to the full batch and monitor progress. Finish by exporting a searchable PDF and a raw text or docx to make edits easier. This gives you both preserved layout and editable content. You should spot-check several pages, especially headings, numbers, and tables, and correct errors manually or with a spell checker and regex for consistent fixes. If accuracy is poor, rescan at 300 DPI, improve contrast, change the language model, or switch OCR engines. One key troubleshooting tip: if text is jumbled, enable layout analysis or use Zone OCR to isolate columns and forms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.